Hello everybody. I'm outside cooking in the snow. I'm gonna make some street tacos, or I don't know what the hell they'll be called, whatever you want to call them. They'll be in a tortilla shell, and there's steak and all kinds of other stuff in it. But we're cooking now before the football games start, and then we'll be able to enjoy it throughout the games. But I'm gonna tilt the camera down now so you can see what's happening here in my Discada, my outdoor burner, and here goes nothing. I got a little bit of olive oil down in there, warming up, getting hot, and if you take the cap off this butter thing, it works a hell of a lot better. But fake butter, whatever you want to call it, parquet. So, seems like things are hot there, and I'm gonna put some green peppers and red peppers and red onions in here. And then I'm gonna, maybe that side of the pan wasn't very hot, wouldn't even melt the butter, but it'll get hot. And we'll leave it on there to saute or get hot or whatever. And I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, now I got the onions and peppers cooked down a little bit. I kind of tried to push them off to the side here a little bit to let them stay warm, but not completely overcook in the middle. So now in here I got some garlic and some stewed tomatoes and some green chilies and chuck steak or chuck roast that I cut up into little strips. And we're gonna throw this right in the middle and let that simmer and cook for quite a while, and see what happens. It's really hot right about there, really hot. And towards the end, I'm gonna get some taco seasoning and some other little seasonings and throw on here, and we're gonna warm the tortilla shells around the side, and then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna hopefully watch Tampa Bay beat Green Bay, and then because nobody circles the wagons like the Buffalo Bills, we're gonna root for the Bills over the Chiefs and hope that the Bills win the whole shebang. But anywho, I'm gonna continue cooking, and you don't need to hear me blabber on anymore. So I'll be back when that's a little closer to done here. Well, I got it cooking down pretty good here, steaming up, smelling good and everything, but it's probably gonna run out of some of its juice, so you can put a little bit of beer in there, and you can pour the rest down your throat. And then you let it cook a little longer till that meat's tender, and it's all a beautiful day. So I'll see you soon. All right, now I pushed all the onions and green peppers and everything together. Let them cook a little bit more, but well, I have been letting them cook a little bit more. But I don't know how tender the beef has gotten yet. It's my first time doing this, but so I don't know. I think I might let them go for another 5 minutes or so. But I don't know. Just play it as it goes. Get out and cook in a snowstorm. It's fun. Not really a storm. Get out and cook in a snow flurry. Alright. I gotta get this out of there. I'm losing a lot of the juice cooking off and sticking to the bottom of the pan a little bit. And I think it's done. I think it's gonna taste pretty damn good. But we're just gonna scoop this into the pan here. I can see through the smoke and see what the hell I'm doing, but I think it's going to make some pretty good tacos. I got some shredded cheese inside to put on the top and some salsa on top of everything that's already here, so just scrape the pan down to the bottom here. Maybe one of these fell on the ground for Finnegan, and sometimes that happens. But I haven't really heard him complain yet, so Finnegan will be all right. And then we're gonna take some of these tortillas and we're just gonna lay them on here to warm up. Now we're gonna go in and eat and watch football. So that's about it. Warm them up. Throw them in the pan with that stuff there, and scoop some on, some cheese on top, some salsa on top of that, and I think it'll make a pretty good dinner. But anyways, for Finnegan and myself, stay classy, San Diego.